Bone broth, 10 benefits and why you should drink it daily. Hey everyone, and welcome! Today, we're diving deep into the world of bone broth, a nutritional powerhouse that's been simmering in cultures around the globe for centuries. It's more than just a trendy health food. It's a time-tested remedy with some seriously impressive benefits. We're going to explore 10 reasons why you should consider making bone broth a regular part of your diet. Get ready to discover how this simple broth can transform your health from the inside out. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about gut health. Bone broth is packed with gelatin and collagen, which act like a soothing balm for your digestive tract. These compounds help repair the lining of your gut, reducing inflammation and improving nutrient absorption. If you struggle with digestive issues like leaky gut syndrome, IBS, or even just occasional bloating, bone broth can be a game changer. Think of it as a gentle, nourishing hug for your gut. Next, let's move on to joint health. The collagen in bone broth is a key building block for cartilage, the cushioning tissue in your joints. By consuming bone broth regularly, you're providing your body with the raw materials it needs to rebuild and maintain healthy cartilage. This can lead to reduced joint pain, improved flexibility, and even a decreased risk of developing osteoarthritis. It's like giving your joints a daily dose of WD-40. Did you know that bone broth can also give your immune system a serious boost? It's rich in amino acids like arginine, glutamine, and cysteine, all of which play crucial roles in immune function. These amino acids help to reduce inflammation, support the production of immune cells, and protect against infections. Drinking bone broth regularly can help you stay healthy and resilient, especially during cold and flu season. It's like a natural shield against illness. Who doesn't want glowing skin, strong hair, and healthy nails? The collagen in bone broth is your secret weapon. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity, reducing wrinkles, and promoting a youthful appearance. It also strengthens hair follicles and nail beds, leading to stronger, healthier hair and nails. Think of it as a beauty treatment from the inside out. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Bone broth might be the answer. It contains glycine, an amino acid that has been shown to improve sleep quality. Glycine helps to calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and promote relaxation. A cup of warm bone broth before bed can help you drift off to sleep more easily and wake up feeling refreshed. It's like a natural lullaby for your body. As the name suggests, bone broth is excellent for bone health. It's a rich source of calcium, phosphorus, and other minerals that are essential for building and maintaining strong bones. These minerals help to increase bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Drinking bone broth regularly can help you keep your bones strong and healthy throughout your life. It's like investing in your future mobility. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health problems. Bone broth contains amino acids like glycine and proline, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects. These amino acids help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, protecting against chronic diseases. By incorporating bone broth into your diet, you can help to keep inflammation in check and promote overall health. It's like a natural fire extinguisher for your body. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from the environment and our diet. Bone broth can help to support the body's natural detoxification processes. It contains glycine, which helps the liver to detoxify harmful substances. It also provides the building blocks for glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Think of it as a gentle cleanse for your system. If you're trying to manage your weight, bone broth can be a valuable tool. It's low in calories and carbohydrates, but high in protein and collagen. This combination helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. Drinking bone broth as a snack or meal replacement can help you to stay on track with your weight loss goals. It's like a healthy and satisfying way to curb your appetite. Finally, bone broth is a fantastic source of essential minerals. It contains calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and other minerals that are vital for overall health. These minerals support a wide range of bodily functions, from nerve function to muscle contraction. Drinking bone broth regularly can help you to ensure that you're getting enough of these essential nutrients. It's like a multivitamin in a cup. So, there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of bone broth. From gut healing to joint support to immune boosting, this ancient elixir has a lot to offer. Consider making bone broth a regular part of your daily routine. Your body will thank you for it.